Okay, the biggest mistake that a lot of sailors do is to come towards the line with a lot of speed. Well, I'm not even closer, right? But I'm getting closer to the starting line. So what they do is they come full speed, and then, oh, I'm about to be over, so they go with the sail like this, right? So why to come full speed to the line if they're gonna have to stop the boat right away? It's better to measure, to check the line from behind. I'm right on the line now. I have the race committee boat there, I have the pin and boat there, I have the boat ready to go, right? So I need to start working on my acceleration now. Let's say that we have 10 seconds to go. I keep on looking at the line, both ends of the line. I'm going for speed, looking further up to see my acceleration is gonna get even faster because I'm getting into a pressure from what I see now. So I'm gonna start going. 3, 2, 1, go. Yep. Nice tack. I'm going fast now. I'm a fast sailor. I have to motivate myself, right? I know that everything is perfect in the boat. It's just about me working the boat. Taking my head off the boat, looking further up to see the whole picture, to see the whole course. I'm going fast, but I need to go left back again. Getting into a header, but I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna keep on going a little more because I see this pressure here. There we go. So now I'm getting the pressure. A lot of times you need to be patient. There we go. Now I'm in the pressure. So what am I gonna do now? Should I tack or should I keep going? Let's see. Looking further left, nothing. The pressure is right here. So I'm gonna have to tack soon. There we go. I'm gonna tack now. Keep sailing inside the pressure. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute. $50 seconds. Checking both ends of the line. A little behind. Gonna start moving up a little bit. 30 seconds. I'm a little close. 20. Anyways, I have the current pushing me away from the pinion. 10 seconds. 5, 4. I'm counting in my head. 2, 1, go. Okay, I'm gonna start by the boat. 5, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute. I gotta be careful because the current is gonna push me towards the boat, and I'm still a little early on time, so I'll go behind and stop the boat. There we go. I'm still on second line here, so I'm gonna do a roll tack, do a roll, double tack. I lost my mention. Still having time. $20 seconds maybe. 15. I'm gonna start going for acceleration. 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Keeping my feet in the right place, my knees together. I'm trying not to overheal the boat. Perfect.